There you go.
Ouch. For some reason, just
Oh, you'll get it.
not used to the big old Honda. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
Could you just wait for me at the tire?
Tire.
What's the method, is it?
You want to grab right here?
Yeah?
And move your left leg over.
Okay,
So grab it with this hand. Maybe.
we get this leg in first.
Yep. That's
And,
Not laughing, mate. It's all right.
perfect.
is that it?
Want some help or you okay?
What's that?
You want some help or you okay?
Oh, good. Thank you, Daddy.
All right.
How are you today?
I'm very good, thanks.
What's your name?
I'm Bede.
I'm Kevin.
Kevin, nice to meet you, Kevin. You were out with Janfil, my nephew, so
Oh, is that him?
yeah.
Well, we didn't hit anything, so
Yeah, wow. Hopefully you do the same again.
we'll try. You got the best buckler in the business so right here, so
Okay.
you shouldn't fall out.
Well, I was following the motor racing this morning.
You did what?
Following the motor racing this
Oh,
morning. Formula
F1?
One. Yeah.
Who's on pole?
Well, I don't know, because there was a sprint race.
Oh, sprint race.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so Piastri, he won.
Ah, but
And
they have
then-
McLarens.
And McLaren's, yeah, Piastri was first, Norris
Where was
third.
Max?
Who?
The real
Ma-
driver, Max.
Max was,
Verstappen.
I think he was fourth, behind
What?
Norris. Yeah, he was behind Norris.
Well, I was a Senna fan and a Schumi fan,
Okay.
but I like Valtteri Bottas.
Yeah, I quite like Hamilton, but that's because I'm a Brit, you
Yeah,
know.
that's why.
Yeah.
So you've been to Silverstone then?
No, my dad, he went to the first ever F1 Grand Prix.
No kidding.
Yeah, he saw Fangio.
Oh wow, I've been to Spa.
Yeah. So
Oh.
that's when he was 16. And
Wow.
my little sister, she went with my dad a few times, but my dad didn't have the money when I was growing up to take me, so I've
I'm
never.
going to the Nürburgring next year.
Okay, to drive or
I'm
just
going
to
to do a
watch?
taxi ride.
Okay, cool.
I can't wait. You
You
good?
have 3 or 6 laps.
I don't know. It was because Rod, he
Is it on his
Yeah,
lanyard?
I don't know. Do you have a lanyard?
I don't know. It was because Rod he was going to get in the car and he couldn't do it. So
So you got his.
yeah, so there's 3 of us. We're doing so. I don't know how many laps I'm doing.
Oh, sorry.
Next time around, you want to stop in the fuel truck?
Do I have to?
You're running through it.
No, I'll stop.
So
Okay.
yeah, us 3 were
You're good on
doing
tires,
complimentary
Huh?
because Rod
I think
couldn't
you're good on
he
tires
couldn't get in the
currently,
car.
I haven't worn that right front
So
off
I
yet.
don't know how many laps we're doing.
I'll
So
work on it.
You
Yeah,
probably
go
get
faster.
3.
3, yeah.
I'll lunch it.
Uh,
Yeah, 6 laps.
All
Six?
right.
Yeah.
You got 6 laps.
Cool. Well, enjoy. did it twice, 140, but yeah.
Yeah,
Not
that was a
such
good
a
one
bright
right
idea.
there. It's nice and cool, a lot of grip.
Yeah.
You get a little gas here, so
Okay.
yeah, you get a little pit stop thrown in. Was it what you thought it would be?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Cool.
Leaning into those corners.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. You got to squeeze in tight, or else you bang your head on there.
That's cool.
Yeah, I
You'll
know.
have to drive next time.
Perhaps. Yeah.
Do you live here in the States?
No, we're in the UK. We're Jamfeld's brother. He got wed last weekend or the weekend before.
Okay.
So we came over from UK for the wedding.
Okay.
Jamfeld's mum and my wife are sisters.
Okay.
So and Wayne, Rod, who's going to go in the other car, that's Wayne's brother, and Wayne is married to my sister-in-law, and we went to Bhutan as volunteers, sort of like Peace Corps kind of thing from the UK
Okay.
in '92, and we arrived on the same day, married sisters.
Wow.
Rest is history.
Wow. That's crazy.
And you live here as well in Charlotte, or?
Yeah, I'm from Maine originally.
Okay. So where's Maine? My
Northeast.
right. Okay.
Yep.
Right.
Right up the coast.
Yeah. And you compete as well sometimes, or?
I own a short track team.
Okay.
I drive once in a while, but
Yeah.
I got a driver that drives open wheel modifieds.
Okay.
Yeah. But I run this company, Racing Electronics.
Oh, okay.
We do all the buttons and headsets and stuff.
Right.
So I come out when they need extra guys and
Yeah.
like to give back. I've had a good career.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how old are you now?
I'm 58.
58. I'm a bit older than you. I'm 61. So
I'm catching you.
yeah. We don't lose it, do we?
And now, time is a thief for sure.
Sure.
I've been very blessed though. I've had a great life. So.
Yeah.
And this isn't a bad thing to do on a Saturday.
No. I've not. As I say, I've not been this fast since my motorcycling days.
Wow, that'd been cool.
Yeah.
I was never good on. I like four wheels.
Yeah. But yeah, 140 mile an hour on a.
Woo!
I
Yeah,
did on a
not me.
bike. And that was on German autobahns.
Oh wow, that'd be cool.
So not. This is all illegal.
Yeah.